Magandang morning mga kabaliwan! If you are following this build, helmet is done, blaster pistol is done, now we move on to the Mandalorian chest and shoulder armor. Here I am making the template of the chest piece. Again, this is all freehand. It is so easy to make since the Mandalorian chest armor has a simple design. Here I am now folding the edge to make the armor look thicker and also following the reference photos provided on the internet. Then, transfer the template to a 4mm EVA foam. To make the chest piece symmetrical, just use the same template and trace it on to the other side. Cut everything. You need to do some bevel cut on every side flaps that connect to the edge of the chest. Then fold them back again to create the basic shape of the chest piece. Using a super glue, a hot glue stick, or a contact cement. Do whatever works for you. Now I am making the lower part of the chest, the abdominal area. Be sure to position the finished chest piece on top so that you won't have a hard time to sketch the lower part of the armor. Finalize everything, then start cutting. Again, I am using a 4mm thick EVA foam for the lower half. This time, you just need to make groove cuts onto the foam in order for you to shape the abdominal part seamlessly. To hold the shape permanently, glue the groove cut using your chosen type of glue. But for me, I prefer using super glue. Then connect the upper and the lower piece together. Glue the Ceratus armor under the chest. Now, just finish the chest by making the centerpiece. Again, if you are not sure of what you are doing, just look onto the internet for your reference photos. I am just doing and copying what I see online. Looking just great. Finally, seal the foam by using an acrylic emulsion. Or you can just use white glue before you do the final paint. But before I finish the chest, I will show you a quick look how I make the shoulder armors. Same process, same thickness of foam, using both the combination of a super glue and a contact cement. Then, just this simple, lazy video editing. Voila! All done! And the other side of the shoulder, voila! All finished. This time, I am using an acrylic silicone sealant to cover up some of the gaps and unwanted seams. Now, the sealing of the foam by using an acrylic emulsion once again. Then, I spray the primer paint. The base color will be black. Then, final color will be chrome. Then, for the final touch and details, I am using a water-based acrylic raw sienna. Here we have the Mandalorian chest and shoulder armor. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.